Hello, welcome back to my channel. We're talking about another Spark 143 model today, and it's the 1991 second place Jaguar XJR LM. In 1991, Jaguar was looking to repeat its win streak from 1990 and 1988 against Mercedes. These were the two top manufacturers battling it out in the top class, and Jaguar was looking for its third victory. Banking on another win for 1991, they entered 5 cars. However, Peugeot came back to endurance racing and entered 2 905s for the race. This created another problem for Jaguar as the Peugeots were looking really good during practice and qualifying. However, it was the Mercedes who was fastest overall. But because of the rules that year, the naturally aspirated cars started up front, which meant the Peugeots took 1-2 at the starting grid. The number 35 Jaguar qualified 11th overall, just ahead of the Mazda 787B. During the start, the two Peugeots held a commanding lead for the first stint of the race. However, one of the Peugeots ran into mechanical problems during its pit stop and was forced to retire. This was great for Mercedes because all 3 cars took the lead and held that throughout the night. However, it was during the night that 2 of the Mercedes ran into technical problems and was forced to retire. However, come Sunday, it's the sole remaining Mercedes that's in the pits with transmission issues. This car was forced to retire, and that sent the Mazda 787 to the lead, followed closely behind by the number 35 Jaguar XJR. The 2 Jaguar XJR LMs had little to no problems during the race and slowly crept up due to the attrition in the field. By this time, they were sitting 2 and 3 behind the 787B, and when the checker flag fell, a win for Mazda and the 2 Jaguar XJR LMs locking out the podium. And here is the second place number 35 Jaguar XJR. It is an amazing car. It comes in a silver box, so that year, silver boxes, the sides are open. These are some of my favorite boxes because you really get to see the nearly 3 sides of the car. You can easily slide it out, and look how cool this car is. Solid purple with the plum stripes going down the sides and the top, and you can't not talk about these cool wheel covers back here. It really made the car aerodynamic and it looked super futuristic for the 90s. A complete rocket ship and something you would see out on the Bonneville Salt Flats. The silk cut Jags are famous for their purple, white, and yellow liveries, but to me, this one really catches my eye. I love how the purples complement the gold spoked wheels, and it just looks so clean. I mean, back then cars were really designed with this sleekness, and you don't have hardly any aero or anything like that. It was all about the shape, and it's a really sexy car. The drivers on this car were Davy Jones, Raoul Boesel, and Mikkel Furte, and it might be one of my favorite cars in the collection. I mean, look how amazing it looks. From any angle, I'm just flabbergasted. For the 100th anniversary of the race, its sister car just sold at Sotheby's auction for $2.3 million. In honor of the 100th anniversary of the race, an amazing addition to someone's collection. I've just got the 143 model, but someone out there has the real thing. So here it is, the 1991 Jaguar XJR LM that finished second overall. I'm going to be doing a lot more Spark model unboxings, and I'm going to be uploading a new video every Friday. Check back often and give me a like and a follow. I'll see you in the next one.